Hey guys, welcome back to Buckeye Backyard Barbecue. Today, Christmas came a little early, thanks to the good people at Monument Grills. So the good people at Monument Grills sent me this for free so I can do a review for them and post it up on YouTube. They're also gonna sponsor a giveaway where I can give away 3 camping griddles, and to win that, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Monument Grills' YouTube channel, like this video, and leave a comment that says, I want that griddle. Now let's unbox this bad boy and put it together. If there's anything I hate more than anything, it's putting stuff together. I hate doing this stuff. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Well, it's finally done. I gotta admit, it's a lot easier to put together than some of the other things I've put together in the past. I actually only got mad once. I'm more frustrated than anything else. I'm gonna not really review it today. I'm just gonna show it to you, and I'm gonna cook on it a few times. I'll do a few videos with it, and I will let you know what I think about it in a future video. But once again, I'm giving away a Monument griddle, camping griddle. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up for this video, give it a like, comment in the bottom, say give me that griddle. Subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Monument Grills YouTube channel, and you are entered. Thanks for watching.